With double-clicking it. On this front page, choose Studio Animation, add a new file. Welcome to the complex interface of Blender 3.6. But don't worry, we made this a bit simpler in a minute. But here's a quick rundown of what all these things mean. So when you build it here, we have to...
So I've been procrastinating all day, basically trying to figure out how I'm going to do this whole process. I'm trying to figure out what the hell is it? What is it that I'm actually trying to achieve here? I had some great ideas yesterday, and then when I sat down to try and do it, I don't know, I've just been a bit unsure of what it is I'm actually what I'm trying to achieve. So I've got down, basically I want to learn motion design and illustration. So within that, there's a lot of different categories that I want to get into. So I want to do illustration, so like backgrounds and character design, and generally like 2D illustration. I want to learn like cartoony painting, background painting. I don't know if that's what it's called, but something like that. We've got animation, we've got VFX, we've got video editing, we've got compositing, we've got storytelling, we've got world building. In terms of software, I think I really just want to learn Grease Pencil and After Effects. And I figured that maybe I'll start with Grease Pencil because it is, and because I know Blender already, so hopefully it's not too hard to pick up, famous last words, to pick up 2D. Although I might find out that it's actually really hard and I need to go to the basics and do some Photoshop or whatever, because I'm going to be using my tablet, which I haven't ever really used before. So we'll see. So I've just spent all day just learning about how motion design works, how like After Effects works and Grease Pencil, and I'm just trying to find a tutorial because I think that's the easiest thing to get started, is just follow a tutorial step by step, not get too bogged down in the details. So I'll show you which one I'm going to do.
Information for him. By the end of this video, you'll be comfortable enough with Grease Pencil so you can start using it on your own. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Grease Pencil tools as we go.
Okay, so I think it's going well. I should have got to this point now. And this is what I've come up with. It's really pissing me off how much I need to create a layer for everything that I do. And I also forgot how hard it is to learn a new software. I feel like everything I do is wrong and I need to spend like 10 seconds every time I do something just to remember what button it is. And this is with Blender, which I feel very confident using, but something about but Grease Pencil is different enough that even though a lot of the shortcuts and stuff are kind of there, they're different. But it's fine, I'll get used to it. I've got my cat. Okay, so I'm almost there. I made a mistake that I want to try and fix, but it might take me a while. Okay, so I just used my mouse, so some of the animations it's a little bit odd. The interpolation, I couldn't figure out how to change, so that's another one for another day. And also, I put the little shadow on that diamond, but I put it onto a keyframe instead of the first one, and now I don't know how to change it. But I'll figure that out, and then I'm going to export it, and then I'm going to go for dinner, because I think that is a solid day's work. So that was day 1 of Grease Pencil. I probably am going to have to use layers and also name my layers, which is not really my style, but I think it looks like it's going to be kind of important. But all in all, I'm quite proud of what I've just created. And even though it was difficult, it wasn't too bad. So I'm looking forward to seeing where I go next. You know what, I don't think I'm going to fix anymore. I'm just going to export it and say, that's me done. That's my first Grease Pencil animation. The nice thing about the first time you do something is that it can be as shit as you want, and it just means that the next one is going to be a big improvement, and any other improvements that I make, you know, we'll see this little blue cat, and then some of the amazing animations that I'm going to make in the future, and we'll be like, oh my god, she's come so far. So cool, so that is me done, and I'm gonna go and have some dinner. Bye.